Ever met someone and thought, I know exactly what they're like, only to realize you were completely off? Here's a secret. Your brain's first impression might just be telling you fibs. Let's get inside your head for a moment. Picture this. You're walking down the street and you spot someone new. Within seconds, your brain's already judged them, friendly or not, trustworthy or sketchy, all before they've even said a word. It's called the first impression effect. Your brain's trying to be helpful. It scans things like facial expressions, what someone's wearing, even the tone of their voice. It's a shortcut, an automatic snap judgment. But here's the catch. Those shortcuts, they're riddled with errors. Let me introduce you to the world of cognitive biases. Think of your brain as a judge with a wobbly set of scales. The halo effect is a classic example. If someone's good-looking or smiling, your brain might decide they're clever or kind before you've learned anything about them. Imagine meeting someone in a hoodie and you instantly think, trouble. Or you hear someone speak with a posh accent and, boom, you assume they're smart. But what if that hoodie wearer is a kind-hearted scientist, or the posh accent belongs to someone who can't tell a toaster from a kettle? I've definitely been fooled before. Why does this happen? Blame evolution. Our ancestors had to make snap decisions, friend or foe, safe or danger. Quick thinking meant survival. But in today's world, those lightning-fast judgments can trip us up. People are more complicated than their first impression, and our brains sometimes miss the full story. So how can you outsmart your own brain? First, hit pause. When you meet someone new, remind yourself, first impressions aren't always right. Second, get curious. Ask questions. Find out more before you decide what someone's like. And third, look for real evidence. Don't rely on gut feelings alone. Notice what people actually do, not just how they appear. The truth is, my best friendships started with people I misjudged at first glance. I'm glad I stuck around to get the real story. If you slow down, ask, and look closer, you might be surprised who you get to know. So next time your brain jumps to a quick conclusion, remember, you can't always trust your first impression. Think twice, and you might just see the world in a whole new way. This is Smart Tips. Think twice before you decide.